Saoirse Ronan is a popular American and Irish actress. She is primarily known for different period films she has acted in. Her role in the romantic war drama film Atonемеnt 2007 landed her a nomination for Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress. Besides her performance in the movie Vrooklyn 2015, Lady Bird 2017, and Lіttlе Wоmеn 2019 landed her the nomination for the Academy Award for Best Actress. Early life and biography. Saoirse Ronan, whose full name is Saoirse Una Rоnаn, was born on 12th April 1994 in the Bronx, New York City, the US. To parents Monica and Paul Ronan. Both of her parents are from Dublin, Ireland, and her father was engaged in construction and working at a bar before training to become an actor in New York. Her mother used to work as a nanny but has also been an actor during her early years. Her parents were originally undocumented immigrants who had and left Ireland during the recession of the 1980s. They moved back to Dublin when she was just 3 years old. For her education, she went to Audition National School in Audition, County Carlow, Ireland, for a brief period before being home tutored. When it comes to her religious view and practices, she has a raised Catholic. Personal life. Saoirse Ronan has both Irish and American citizenship and is quite close to her family. She had owned properties in Ireland in the past and currently owns 2 properties in London. When it comes to her relationship status, she is currently single but has been linked to the Scottish actor Jack London and singer Ẓaoìrẓe in the past. But neither relationship was ever confirmed. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 12th April 1994, Saoirse Ronan is 27 years old as of today's date, 31st January 2022. Her height is 1.68 meter tall and her weight is 55 kg. Career. Saoirse Ronan made her debut with the 2005 filmed romantic comedy film I Could Never Be Your Woman, which got a direct-to-video release in the US in 2008. She then performed in the 2007 romantic war drama film Atonement, starring Keira Knightley and James McAvoy. The film was both a commercial and critical success, even landing Ronan the nomination for Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress. Awards and achievements. Saoirse Ronan has been enshrined with many awards and achievements over the years. Here is a list covering some of those. She was a winner of the Golden Globe Award in 2018 for her performing in the movie Lady Bird in the category of Best Actress in a Motion Picture, Musical or Comedy. She was the winner of the Best Actress Award at the 2015 Boston Online Film Critical Association for her performance in Wrooklyn. She has the winner of the Saturn Award in the 2010 for her performance in The Lovely Bones in the category of Best Performance by a Younger Actor. Besides, she has been nominated for Academy Award 4 times and British Academy Film Award 5 times. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, Saoirse Ronan has gathered a net worth of $8 million. She has gathered most of her earnings from her acting career. Her roles in the movie Lady Bird, Wrooklyn and Lіttlе Wоmеn have brought her fame, fortune and Oscar nomination as well. She is easily one of the most consistent stars in Hollywood. Also, she had appeared in the music video for Ed Sheeran's song Galway Girl and has hosted an episode of Saturday Night Live as well.